So continue this route. So I'm continuing along this road, which will take me to Marine Drive. You see that? Now this stretch is kind of like full of hotels and restaurants, and of course the beautiful walk to the Marine Drive. But this road is specifically for the hotels and restaurants itself. You can see that's one of them among the others, and also the entrance to the stadium, Wankhede Stadium. I'm walking parallel to it, you can see. So you can see that's the entrance to the stadium, is also along this road, one of those entrances. So yeah, like I said, hotels. Now this shop is closed, but is famous for their ice creams. I'd been some other video that I will show you exactly what they serve, but they are famous for their ice cream. Yeah, look at there. You can see that the promenade is quite visible, but still keep walking. Pizza by the Bay, another famous place, but nope. And that's your promenade. I'll have to cross it and reach the other end, the Nariman point, but I'll do that in the next video. But that's